Hey, welcome back guys. Today I want to show you how to collect free tokens, unlimited tokens in your Blooket account from the Blooket events. Just follow this video step by step. I open a new tab and here you need to searching www.go token pro. Remember this is a go token pro. I press enter. Token events offer free token. Here you choose how much tokens do you want. I select maximum. Blooket username. Here I enter my Blooket username, DragonXXL. As you can see, I proof you. As you can see, in my Blooket account, this is my username. I have 7 tokens. Now I press generate. Generating is running. Don't close or refresh the page. I wait to loading, guys. Guys, please like this video, subscribe, and share this video with your friends for more tutorials. If you need help, leave a comment right now. Please follow this video step by step to receive the reward, to collect the reward. You need follow this video step by step. As you can see, this is a status online. Last update 2 days ago, online user. This is recent activity. As you can see, this person is desktop, iOS. For example, you can use your iOS on this website. It's open on any device. Now is my computers, but you can use your phone, for example. Remember, digital is safe to use. You don't have problem with ban. We never ask you to enter your account password. You don't have to download any external tools. This is people vote. You can vote in yes or no. As you can see, it's all for you. This person voting no, yes. This person voting no. DragonXXL is connected. Resource is ready. We almost finished it. We don't like a robot. Please verify that you're human. Click the verify button and follow the instruction. Don't scare it. Just verify now. Human verification. Verify survey. Complete request below and block it token. You will be automatically sent in your accounts. Good. You need to complete one of these offers to receive the reward. As you can see, I select first survey. Follow the instructions, send a SMS to this number. As you can see, it's checking for completion. Now I put the video on pause, guys, because I can send a SMS and record at the same time, but I'll back, guys, immediately. Good, guys, I send the SMS. As you can see, the SMS on this number. Now you need check, return on this tab, and as you can see, it's finished. Now you return in. You need return in your Blooket page, as you can see. And as you can see in my Blooket page, I received the notification. Congratulations, you just won 100,000 tokens from Blooket sponsors. I press climb, and now I have 100,000 tokens in my Blooket account. As you can see, this is my username. I buy a package. As you can see, yes. As you can see, it's work. You need to follow this video step by step. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and bye bye.